water, it's gonna like take off the funk, the sliminess and the funky smell of the octopus. I kind of want to remove that a little bit, just because if it smells too bad, it's gonna be like too octopusy. So this is dashi, which is concentrated umami powder. I'm just gonna dump this in here. Got this from Japan. My mum bought it for me. And then I'm just gonna add some soy sauce. Kikkoman. Just that quarter cup. Same amount of sake. This sake is going to remove a bit of that smell from the octopus again. And now this is mirin. It's sweet sake. Just gives a little sweetness. So I'm just gonna put some cornstarch, potato starch. So I'm gonna make 2 dishes. One is octopus rice, and the other one is fried octopus, salt, pepper, paprika powder, garlic in here for the flavor. And so I'm just going to chop up some garlic here. So after I boil this, I want to like rinse it in ice water because I want it to retain its shape, and the muscle kind of contracts when it's hit with ice water after it's been in the hot water. That should do it. Now, we're going to dump them in ice water. It's so slimy. I'm just going to chop them up roughly. I want to use the smaller pieces for the octopus rice, and the bigger ones for octopus, fried octopus. Put this in here, like so. This goes in the flour. Mix it. So to check the temperature of the oil, what I do is I just pick up a little bit of flour, drop it in, and if it sinks, it's not hot enough. If it doesn't sink and if it just goes on top and starts bursting, that means it's too hot. If it sinks a little bit, that's perfect. Like octopus. through. Okay, enough of that. I'm gonna try one. Tender. Very nice. I like. I'll try another one with mayo. This is very good with beer or sake.
What's the plural of octopus?
Octopi, octopuses, octopi, octopus. You should eat more. There's plenty in the sea. That's pretty good. It's not that sour. Get up. Get a bit of octopus in there as well. And a bit of optional wasabi. Just on the side. And it's done. This is the Japanese octopus rice. Some octopus there. That's pretty good. Nicely salted. Octopus is tender. And you can really smell the flavor of soy sauce and octopus. I'm just gonna mix in some wasabi in there. That's good. Try it at home.